What is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're going to be taking Sally to get an alignment at Apex Alignment in Miami. But while we're there, we're also going to meet up with my boy Drew. He has a built motor 5th gen ZL1, and also Jordan, who has a Procharged 6th gen Camaro SS. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in Sally. Hopefully it doesn't rain. And let's get to Miami. Anybody's wondering why I'm getting an alignment for Sally? It's just so terribly off, and it's making the car extremely sketchy to drive in the rain. So we're gonna get her right today. I'm also gonna ask him to give me the least amount of camber possible so that we're really on a drag alignment. All right, please don't be dead, battery. I might have to get a new battery. What the hell? Basically, I was dealing with a parasitic draw, and I guess it just killed the battery because it drained the battery so much. I figured it out. Now the battery keeps dying. I guess it's just not holding its charge. Hopefully this is enough though, please. Moment of truth here, that battery pack has not been charged in a minute. I'm also really hoping that it doesn't rain because my tires are very bald. Especially since the last 2 trips to Orlando, it toasted them up, so it's gonna be scary. Bad alignment and bald tires are never a good thing in the rain. Quite simply put, yeah, I did not make the alignment appointment, and I had to stop 4 more times on top of the initial time that I stopped. So the weather is just too extreme, but now it finally stopped, of course, when I'm supposed to be at the alignment appointment. The guy was kind of upset. He said to call and reschedule, but it is what it is, you know? I couldn't do anything. We still are gonna meet up with Jordan and Drew though, so we can see their cars and see how awesome they are. I'm here with Jordan and Drew. We're gonna check out both of their cars, so hopefully all this driving was worth it in the rain. Yeah, go ahead. Come on. Chops more than yours? Drew says we need to hear his car next. So this is Jordan's car. He has that Holly and then also Procharged. Makes like what? Mid-700s?
Mid-700s. Let's keep it at that.
Mid-700s. And then this is Drew's car. LSA, right?
It's a 408. It's a 6.0.
Oh, I forgot that you built the motor.
Yeah, with a LSA blower.
So LSA blower on there. Jordan thought that was a Hellcat blower on there.
I did, bro. I was like, what the is that?
But this thing sounds sick. Jordan's chops a little bit more, but Drew toned it down on the tune to not chop that much. And then we have Sally here that doesn't chop at all. I wish I had my Camaro here, but we are still waiting on that one. Dude, that's the loudest car I've ever heard. I can't hear you. It's changing in a track mode. We're hoping to hear some whine from Drew's car, so the LSA does whine a little bit. My buddy in Michigan has one. This is Drew's built motor, 5th gen ZL1 now. So, disappointing?
It's loud.
It's loud, but no whine.
It doesn't whine because of the
Whose
blower.
car's louder, his or mine?
You're asking me?
Yeah.
His.
Yeah, his is way louder. I really like the interior on the 5th gen here. You're good.
Are you good there?
Yeah, you're good. I have enough room. And I like, you put a short throw, Drew? People always talk mess about the freaking interior on these cars.
You can't really see. The interior's okay.
It's alright. It's not bad. Shelby over there wants to smoke that GT500.
Yep. I might just lose control, I'm not gonna lie.
Get a hit now in this thing. missed third?
Yeah, I missed it. Again.
That was a flame.
Yeah,
That was.
You have an exhaust leak?
Yeah, you hear?
A little bit, yeah.
That's not taking right.
Bro stole my custom interior seats.
Nah, chill.
You can see the little trumpet sticking out of the hood.
I call that the nose piercing. Nose piercing.
That's the nose piercing. Yeah. It is so loud, bro.
Dude, how do you drive this thing every day? The shake.
Look, she's bro, they all break their neck. Turn left?
Yeah.
I'm holding on the brakes.
So if you lightly go on the brake, it'll shake like crazy, right? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, but then you can see it in the video of me moving my car, but I'm always on the brake. Do I turn here or
No, keep going.
no? I don't hit it.
Do you have the nitrous on?
No, I do not. It's closed. But this is my buttons on here.
But don't you have it in the trunk?
Yeah. It's wrong. Right now, it's the buttons right here, down here. He placed it right there, and the purge line is next to it. So.
Christ. Holy crap!
Fast.
Yeah, it is fast. Did you spin?
I felt it spin.
Yeah, I felt it spin.
I promise you, it hits way harder.
I felt that too.
That's why once I felt it like not grab as usual, I let go.
I definitely felt that.
I'm afraid to turn off traction. If it does something dumb, I'll let go.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
That was at 30 miles per hour a second. So.
Gotta grip my camera, bro. Also got that secret sauce in the back here with the nitrous bottle. That is sick. Jordan's also gonna hit it up with a purge, so he's gotta open the bottle first.
There you go.
Where is it gonna purge? Oh, go ahead.
Oh wait, hold on. I have to turn on the car.
I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna dip out as I gotta hit the gym. We're all gonna get some 85 and then dip, so we're all going to the same station. Apparently there's only one around here. I really want to see these two run. That thing is just so freaking loud, way louder than Drew's ZL1. It's insane. I can't believe I just missed that. The record button wouldn't record. They just did a roll and it was pretty even, but it looked like Jordan was pulling some. Look at Jordan's car, it's working because he's on a stock converter with that big old cam. I guess as a part of this video, we're also going to draggy test Michael's car. So it's tune only, it has a piggyback, stock downpipes, literally stock. So we're hoping for a sub 4-second time. Let's do it. You let off early though. I wonder what that was. Love it when the draggy decides not to film anything. So we got to do that again. But the launch wasn't too good. We were kind of rushed. You know, out here in Mexico, the roads kind of get busy sometimes. All right, we're gonna give it shot number 2 here. Hopefully this one goes better.
Ready?
Yep. Did it in 6.2. Isn't that slow? Should be doing it in like 4 seconds, right?
Yeah, what's going on?
Maybe you have a boost leak, that's what that noise is. You just probably heard it in the video, but there's a huge boost leak. You can hear the air surging out and the car's not performing as it should. Stock, they run 4.5 0 to 60. This thing was putting down like a 5 to 6 second 0 to 60, so something's up with it. I did a visual inspection to see if it blew off, like maybe one of the intake hoses, or maybe there's a hole in the intake, or a problem with the throttle body or near it, or something with the intake manifold, but I don't see anything, so definitely something going on. It's underperforming, and I hear air surging like crazy. You know what this sounds like? This is really weird. Watch when he taps the gas. You hear that? Maybe one of the internal wastegates are broken on the turbos, because like it's squeaking every time he hits the gas. That note, I kind of did forget to record an outro, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll figure out what's going on with Michael's car.